there, so today I'm going to be doing a Shop Miss A haul for you. If you don't know what Shop Miss A is, it is basically an online website where everything is $1. There are some things that are more than $1, but those are things that are in bundles or from the sister brand, which is about like a couple dollars more. But overall, it's still really inexpensive. So here is my box. Huge box. Huge box. Let's open this up and see what I got. I have ordered from Shop Miss A before. I'll link down below there. This is a strap. I have ordered from Shop Miss A before. I'll link down below my previous haul along with the videos that I have done using the products. So I've done 3 videos already doing full face of using Shop Miss A products. 2 of them are just regular tutorials and reviews, and then the third one is a Korean inspired look. So I'll link it all down below if you guys are interested in watching it. So without any further ado, let's get on with this haul. Let me show you what you see when you first open it. So this is what you see. They bubble wrapped it really well. Let's throw that away. Let's take it out from the box. As I'm showing it, I'm just going to put everything back into the box so it's easier for me. I ordered a lot more jewelry versus makeup since my first haul. I already ordered a lot of makeup. The first thing here I ordered are lashes. Ordered 4 pairs of lashes. I got 747 small, and then I also got 2 of the 702. Both of these are from the Cara brand. Next I got AOA Studio Brow Scissors.
I needed an eyebrow scissors to cut my eyebrows. I used to have one, but it got really dull when I threw it out.
Let's see if these are sharp. If they can cut paper, I am pretty sure they're sharp enough to cut my eyebrows. Let's see. The true test. Oh yeah, they're really sharp. Cut it off like nothing. So these are plus. The next I see here is a tweezer. And I got a pink. They do have a black one, which I got previously, not in my previous haul, but then before. The difference between that one is that this part right here, I'm not sure if you can see, but this part right here or right here, I don't know, somewhere between is different. Your grip is different versus this one. I'll put a picture up around somewhere around here so you can see the difference between the two. Just from looking at this pink one, I prefer this pink one over the black one. I did get some makeup because I do plan on doing another $1 challenge, which I feel like I've done a lot already, but I still have one more face mask that I want to use. So I want to try some more of the new products that they released. So one of the new things they have here is an eyeshadow primer. They have like 3 different finish. This one is in nude, and then I also have one of their the A2O. This is a sister brand, the Glow Liquid Eyeshadow in Thermo. Packaging is like really cute. A silver, beigey, pink color. I don't know how to explain it, but these were on sale for $1 each, so I decided to try it out. They're Wonder Brow. And this one, I got it in medium brown. I'm actually really interested to see how this turns out. I don't know, I feel like this is very decent for $1 considering what are the chances you're going to ever go through a pomade. So this is like pretty good. Next are earrings. This is where I spent quite some of my money on since I don't have a lot of jewelry and these are only $1. So I'm like, hey, why not? So they all come individually wrapped in a plastic seal like this. And I just took it out for the sake of being noisy for you guys. So the first set of earrings I have are these. then next are these. So the next ones are these ones right here. And then these Mickey ones I saw, they're so cute. They also have a gold pair, but then I always just buy gold, so I feel like, okay, I should buy some silver too in case I do need silver. And next are these. And then next are these. These are really cute. I also got the same one in the silver. They have like 4 different types. So there's the gold with white and silver with white, but then I got the gold and silver and cream. I also got these two, which I think are really cute. I'm almost done here. My haul is not as long as I thought it was going to be. It's actually pretty short. Okay, next I got 2 set of makeup wipes. I got the green tea, which I've got before, and also cucumber. I like using these wipes to wipe off any swatches I make. You know, like foundation that I put on the back of my hand or anything that I feel that I want to use it for. So that's why I bought these makeup wipes, and they are really good. You know, they work pretty good, and I do like them, so that's why I got 2. And then these are new, and I wanted to try out and see if they work for my toners. So I got cotton rounds. It comes in a pack of, if I remember correctly, yeah, 40. And then I also got cotton squares. And this is also another pack of 40, so 80 for $2. I think that's a pretty good deal. Let me see if they're soft. So here's how one of them look like. I'm pretty sure the square is the same thing. They're pretty soft and pretty sturdy. I'm excited to try it out to see how they are. And then the last 2 things that I got are makeup brushes. These are new. The first one I got here is the newest one to their collection. It is the All About Eyes brush set and holder. It comes with 10 brushes and a brush holder. So I think that is really convenient. If you want me to do a review on this set, just let me know. Comment down below and I'll do a review on it for you. And then the next set I got is this one, which is the Faux Mink brush set. I think this also comes with 10 brushes too. Like this. 5 face brushes and 5 eye brushes. If you want me to do a review on these 2 brush set, a separate review of course, then just comment down below and let me know. I am actually really interested and excited to do a review on these.
That is all for this tutorial.
So yeah, that'll be it for this haul. Like I said, everything I use will be listed down below, and I'll link Shop Miss A website down below, along with my previous haul and the 3 tutorials that I did using Shop Miss A products. I am excited to see your guys' response and your guys' comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye!